everyone, I'm Priyanka Shine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 4B from chapter Linear Inequations. So starting with question number 7. Find the range of values of x which satisfies minus 2, 2 by 3 less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 which is less than 3, 1 by 3 where x belongs to R, that is set of real numbers. Graph these values of x on the number line. So we have to find the range of x by solving this inequation. Okay, inequation को solve करना है. So first thing that you have to do is solve the inequation. Second thing, we'll find the solution set. Okay, we need solution set because we need to plot this on the number line. Okay, we have to graph the values on the number line. So first is solving the inequation, second is solution set, and third one is plotting on the number line. So let us write down the inequation first. Solve करते हैं. So minus 2, 2 by 3 mixed fraction है, less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 which is less than 3, 1 by 3. Two inequality signs है. So what are you going to do? Break it into two parts. Okay. First ये दो consider करेंगे with one inequality sign and then these two. Okay, with this inequality sign. So we'll break it into two parts, this and this. So minus 2, 2 by 3 is less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3 and x plus 1 by 3 is less than 3, 1 by 3. Here also we have mixed fraction. So we'll solve this first. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. And negative sign है, so minus 8 by 3 is less than or equal to x plus 1 by 3. And here we'll solve this first. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 by 3. What we'll do is 1 by 3 को यहीं पे shift कर लेते हैं. Okay, shift ही कर देते हैं पूरा and then we'll solve. Alright, so first we'll group numbers together. So minus 8 by 3 as it is, 1 by 3 shift करेंगे, so minus 1 by 3 is less than or equal to x and x is less than, same thing over here, 1 by 3 को यहाँ पे shift कर देते हैं. So 10 by 3 as it is, this will become minus 1 by 3. So same denominator, common denominator ले सकते हैं 3 and minus 8 minus 1, that will give minus 9 in next step. And here again common denominator 3, 10 minus 1. So this gives minus 9 by 3 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 9 by 3. So minus 9 by 3 क्या हो जाएगा? It will be minus 3 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 3 है ना? So we are getting these two. Okay, solve करके ये दो range मिल रहा है. Now we'll combine both. Okay, we'll combine. We need to find the range of values of x. So greater than, less than, all we'll write together. So we'll write it like this: x is greater than something and less than something. Okay, x is greater than or equal to minus 3. So greater than and equal to भी है minus 3 and less than 3. So be very careful over here. Greater than or equal to भी है, so equal to भी put करना है. We combined both the conditions, so this is the range of values. X का range है minus 3 से 3, where x belongs to the set of real numbers. So write down and x belongs to R. So what will be the solution set? Now since it belongs to the set of real numbers, we'll write it in set builder form. Okay, we'll write the solution set in set builder form. So solution set, you'll write the full thing, huh? You cannot write SS. Solution set of x is equal to x such that x belongs to R, right? And the condition part, so and this range you'll write down, minus 3 is less than or equal to x is less than 3 हो जाएगा. Okay, so students, don't write it like this, write it in one line. Okay, एक ही लाइन पे पूरा आना चाहिए सोल्यूशन सेट. डोंट स्प्लिट इट इन into two parts, ऐसे टू लाइन्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट मत कर देना. सो दिस इज द सोल्यूशन सेट. नाउ वील प्लॉट इट ऑन द नंबर लाइन. सो फर्स्ट चेक द रेंज ऑफ वैल्यूज. -3 से 3 है, सो ड्रॉ द नंबर लाइन अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, सो you will draw the number line with the help of pencil and scale. 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3 -4. x ranges from -3 to 3, so -3 को भी सर्कल कर दो, 3 को भी सर्कल कर दो, and it can have any values in between. Okay, any value is possible because real numbers है, so it can be decimal, root, anything. So with the help of scale and pencil overwrite this. Okay, dark line होना चाहिए this part. Now x is equal to -3, ये भी possible है ना. It is not equal to 3, so ये as it is रहेगा, लेकिन it is equal to -3, it is a possibility. So -3 को fill कर देंगे. Okay, since this value is possible, this is not possible because it is given it is less than 3. So 2.99999 भी हो सकता है, लेकिन it is not equal to 3. Okay, so this we'll keep as it is, this you will fill up. ठीक है. Moving on to next question, question number 8. Find the values of x which satisfy the inequation -2 less than or equal to half -2x by 3, which is less than or equal to 1 5 by 6. Where x belongs to n, that is set of natural numbers. Graph the solution on the number line. We have to find the values of x by solving this inequation. So first thing that we have to do is solve the inequation. Second thing, we need to find the values of x, that is solution set, find out करना है. So first solving the inequation, second is solution set, third one is plotting on the number line. Okay, that is graphing the values on the number line. So यहाँ पे बोला गया है, so we'll plot the solution on the number line. So 3 steps में solve करना है. First we'll solve the inequation, so write down the inequation. -2 is less than or equal to half -2x by 3, which is less than or equal to 1 5 by 6. Now 2 inequality signs है, so हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we'll break it into 2 parts. Okay, first we'll consider first part. Okay, सो सेकेंड इनइक्वालिटी साइन से नहीं कंसिडर करेंगे, ओनली फर्स्ट इनइक्वालिटी साइन एंड LHS RHS में जो भी है दैट, एंड देन वील कंसिडर सेकेंड इनइक्वालिटी साइन एंड LHS RHS में जो भी है. सो ईयर टू ईयर. ओके, सो 2 पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करेंगे एंड वील सॉल्व देम सेपरेटली, एंड आफ्टर दैट वील कंबाइन द सॉल्यूशंस अगेन. सो -2 is less than or equal to half -2x by 3 and half -2x by 3 is less than or equal to 1 5 by 6. Here we have mixed fraction. Okay, so ये solve करना पड़ेगा. Now what I'll do, I'll shift the number directly in LHS because right hand side पे x term as it is ही रखते हैं हम लोग, नंबर साथ में ग्रुप कर देते हैं. Okay, so -2 as it is, half will become negative and -2x by 3 as it is. Over here mixed fraction है, so वो solve करना है, and at the same time I'll shift this over here. Okay, shifting number on the other side and x term as it is. 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 by 6 minus half हो जाएगा, shifting on the other side. Over here we'll take LCM, so -2 into 2 upon 1 into 2 minus half is less than or equal to -2x by 3, and over here -2x by 3 is less than or equal to, again we'll take LCM over here also, into 3 हो जाएगा. So 11 by 6 minus 1 into 3 upon 2 into 3. So -4 upon 2 minus half is less than or equal to -2x by 3, and -2x by 3 is less than or equal to 11 by 6 minus 3 by 6. Okay, so now taking common denominator, -4 - 1 upon 2 is less than or equal to -2x by 3, and -2x by 3 is less than or equal to 11 - 3 by 6. Okay, so -4 - 1 हो जाएगा -5 by 2 is less than or equal to -2x by 3, and -2x by 3 is less than or equal to 11 - 3, 8 upon 6. So 2 3s are 2 4s are. Now x का coefficient is negative. First thing that you have to do is make it positive. Okay, so 2 upon 3 को shift करना है on the other side, reciprocal हो जाएगा, but before that if the sign is negative please make it positive first. Okay, so we'll change the signs. So यहाँ पे change होगा तो simultaneously यहाँ पे भी change होगा. You have to change the signs on both the sides together. So -5 by 2 will become +5 by 2, and -2x by 3 will become 2x by 3. When you change the signs, what happens to the inequality sign? It reverses. Less than or equal to है greater than or equal to हो जाएगा. Okay, and same thing over here. Okay, this is negative, x का coefficient is negative. Before shifting 2 by 3 please make it positive first. Okay, so 2x by 3 हो जाएगा, less than or again sign is going to change because you are changing the sign over here, तो यहाँ पे भी change होगा. 4 by 3 positive है, 4 by 3 negative हो जाएगा. Okay, so -4 by 3 हो जाएगा. Okay, when you change the signs inequality sign reverses. Okay, now shift 2 by 3 on the other side, so it will become 3 by 2, reciprocal हो जाएगा. Okay, is greater than or equal to x, and x is greater than or equal to -4 by 3 into 2 by 3 shift करेंगे, so 3 by 2. So 3 gets cancelled, 2 2s are. So over here nothing is getting cancelled, 5 3s are 15 and 2 2s are 4, is greater than or equal to x, and x is greater than or equal to -2 milligram. Okay, so we got the two ranges. Okay, x is less than or equal to this and greater than or equal to this. So we'll combine both. Okay, दोनों को combine करेंगे. So how do we write x greater than something, less than something? Okay, it is greater than what? X is greater than -2, greater than or equal to भी है, so x is greater than or equal to -2, and less than or equal to है 15 by 4. Okay, we got the range of values of x. Okay, it is greater than or equal to -2 and less than or equal to 15 by 4. This is in fraction form, so what we'll do is either convert it into decimal. Okay, यहाँ पे proper वाला decimal मिलेगा. 15 divided by 4 will give you 3.75. So write in decimal form, but better is to express in mixed fraction form. Okay, mixed fraction form में लिख दो. So 15 by 4, how will you express in mixed fraction form? So this is only for those who have any doubts. You can fast forward the video if you know the mixed fraction form ka part. 4 3s are 12 and 3 remains. Okay, so over here 4 as it is रहेगा. Okay, denominator as it is रहेगा. So 4 as it is. 4 into 3. Okay, so this is the divisor into quotient. So quotient यहाँ पे side में आएगा and remainder will come in numerator. So I'll repeat, denominator as it is ही रखेंगे. Okay, that is divisor is as it is. 4 into 3, that is the quotient will come over here and the remainder will come in numerator. 4 3s are 12 and 12 plus 3 15. So 15 divided by 4 हो जाएगा. So 3 by 4, that is 3.75 मिल रहा है ना? So less than or equal to x, which is greater than or equal to -2. Okay, so this is the range of x. We need to find the solution set. So solution set के लिए we'll choose the values from the set of natural numbers because it is given that x belongs to the set of natural numbers. So once we'll write down the natural numbers का set. It starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically all positive integers are natural numbers, है ना. Now यहाँ से choose करना है. So x is greater than or equal to -2. नेगेटिव नंबर्स तो आता ही नहीं है नेचुरल नंबर्स में, सो x का वैल्यू नेगेटिव यहाँ पे होगा ही नहीं. ओके, बिकॉज नेचुरल नंबर से चूज करना है. 0 भी नहीं आएगा. सो इट इज़ ग्रेटर दैन और इक्वल टू -2. सो -2 से ज़्यादा वैल्यूज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 है, बट इट इज़ लेस दैन और इक्वल टू 3/4, दैट इज़ 3.75. ओके, सो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 3.75 हो सकता है. So 1 will be included, 2 will be included, 3 will also be included because maximum value will be 3.75. So 3 तो 3.75 से कम है. Okay, so 3.75 comes between 3 and 4. Now will 4 be included? No, because maximum value possible is 3.75. But can you include 3.75 in the set? नहीं, because natural numbers में 3.75 is not there, decimal is not there, so you cannot take 3.75 over here. Okay, real numbers का set होता तो different thing है, but यहाँ पे natural numbers है, so you cannot include 3.75. The values possible are 1, 2 and 3 only. Okay, so solution set for x क्या हो जाएगा? You will write the full thing, students. I'm not writing it down. It will be 1, 2, 3, and before this you will write down and x belongs to the set of natural numbers. Now plotting on the number line. So draw the number line properly, neatly draw करना है with the help of pencil and scale. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3. Only 1, 2 and 3 are the possible values. So 1 सर्कल करके फिल कर दो, 2 सर्कल करके फिल कर दो, 3 सर्कल करके फिल कर दो. Are the values in between possible? No. So just circle these, fill the circles. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 are the values possible for x. Okay, so this will be the graph of the solution for x. Okay, let's read the next question. Question number 9. Given x belongs to the set of real numbers, find the range of values of x for which -5 is less than or equal to 2x minus 3, which is less than x plus 2, and represent it on a real number line. So first we need to solve the inequation, second we need to find the solution set, and third we need to plot it on the number line. Okay, so inequation पहले solve करते हैं. We are given this inequation, write it down. -5 is less than or equal to 2x minus 3, which is less than x plus 2. Two inequality signs है, so what we'll do? First we'll consider first inequality sign and LHS RHS. Then the second inequality sign and LHS RHS. Simple. So -5 is less than or equal to 2x minus 3. ये one part हो गया. And 2x minus 3 is less than ही है x plus 2. So we'll shift the number on the other side. So -5 as it is, 3 positive हो जाएगा, less than or equal to 2x, and 2x is less than, we'll shift x on the other side, x we'll group together, is less than 2 as it is, 3 को यहाँ पे shift करेंगे, so plus 3. So -2 हो जाएगा, is less than or equal to 2x, and here we'll get x is less than 5. So -2/2 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than 5. So -1 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than 5. We'll club this together. Okay, we'll again combine this. So range of x मिल जाएगा greater than what and less than what. So x greater than what and less than what. It is greater than or equal to -1, so equal to भी है -1 and less than 5, so only less than 5. Very easy. Okay, now x belongs to the set of real numbers. It is given over here, so write down and x belongs to R. So solution set you will write in the form of set builder form. Okay, so solution set will be x such that x belongs to R and the condition part. So condition है -1 less than or equal to x which is less than 5. Okay, we need to plot this on the number line. So -1 से 5 का range है, -1 to 5. Okay, so draw the number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3. -1 to 5 का रेंज है, so -1 and 5 and all the possibilities in between. Okay, so what we'll do with the help of scale and pencil, draw a dark line, override कर दो, ठीक है, but it should be very neat. Now -1 को include करेंगे, yes, because x can be equal to -1 also, so -1 को fill कर दो. Okay, fill the circle. What about 5? 5 is not included. X will be less than 5, so 5 you'll keep as it is. Okay, just encircle it, you don't need to fill the circle. Okay, so this is the graph of the values of x. Next question, question number 10. If 5x minus 3 is less than or equal to 5 plus 3x, which is less than or equal to 4x plus 2, express it as a less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to b, and then state the values of a and b. Very easy question. You have to solve the inequation, solve करना है and find the range of x. x का range क्या होगा? Okay, so express it in this form. x is greater than or equal to which number and less than or equal to which number. So let's say that you are getting -1 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 10. Okay, so compare करके a will be -1 and b will be 10. Simple. Okay, so this is it. You just need to find this. You don't need to write down the solution set, you don't need to plot on the number line, because here they have not even given के replacement set क्या है. Okay, x belongs to which set, it is not given only. Real numbers है, natural numbers है, whole numbers है, integers है, nothing is given. So you don't need to find solution set, you don't need to draw on the number line. So let's solve the inequation. 5x minus 3 is less than or equal to 5 plus 3x, which is less than or equal to 4x plus 2. What we will do? We'll break it into two parts. First this inequation, then this inequation. So 5x minus 3 is less than or equal to 5 plus 3x, and 5 plus 3x is less than or equal to 4x plus 2. So x we'll group together. Okay, so 3x को मैं यहाँ पे shift करूँगी and numbers together. So 5 plus 3 हो जाएगा and same thing over here. Okay, I'll shift 3x over here and 2 over here. All right, so you can do the other way around also, it's up to you. 5 minus 2 is less than or equal to 4x minus 3x. All right, so 2x is less than or equal to 8, and over here 3 is less than or equal to x. So I did this because I wanted to keep x positive. Okay, so to avoid any confusion, x को positive रखने के लिए I shifted 3x over here, so I would get 4x minus 3x, that is x. So 2 को shift करते हैं, it will become 8 by 2, and over here we already got x is greater than or equal to 3, that is 3 is less than or equal to x. So x is less than or equal to 4 and 3 is less than or equal to x. combine this, club this together. X is greater than something and less than something. Let us see what we are getting. X is greater than or equal to 3. So it is greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 4. Okay. So this is what we are getting, combining these two. Alright. So we'll compare this with A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. So comparing 3 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 4 with A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B. What is the value of A and B? A and B. A will be equal to 3 and B will be equal to 4. So box this, box kar do. Okay. So this is the final answer. Coming to next question, question number 11. Solve the following inequation and graph the solution set on the number line. 2x minus 3 is less than x plus 2, which is less than or equal to 3x plus 5, where x belongs to R, that is set of real numbers. So first thing, we need to solve the inequation. Second, we need to find the solution set. And third, graph the solution on the number line. So write down the inequation first. 2x minus 3 is less than x plus 2 is less than or equal to 3x plus 5. Two inequality signs hai. What are you going to do? Break it into two parts. So 2x minus 3 is less than x plus 2, first part, and x plus 2 is less than or equal to 3x plus 5. X will group together, so 2x minus x is less than 2 and 3 will shift over here. That is numbers on one side and the variables on the other side. Same thing यहाँ पे, okay? So I'll shift x over here and number over here. So 2 as it is, 5 को shift करेंगे, so negative हो जाएगा. 2 minus 5 is less than or equal to 3x minus x. So x is less than 5 and over here we'll get minus 3 is less than or equal to 2x. This we got, x is less than 5. Here we'll shift 2 on the other side, so minus 3 by 2 is less than or equal to x. Fraction hai, 3 by 2 is 1.5, okay, that is 1.5. So minus 1.5 hoga, negative sign hai. So x is less than 5 and minus 1.5 is less than or equal to x. That is basically x is greater than or equal to minus 1.5. That is minus 1.5. Okay. So this you need to express in mixed fraction form. Okay, mixed fraction form mein likh lo. So those of you who have confusion, just go through this. 3 को divide करना है by 2, 2 1s are 2 and 1 is the remainder. Leave it over here. Now denominator में 2 है, okay? ये वाला original fraction देखो, denominator में 2 है, so 2 as it is लिखेंगे, that is this we wrote as it is. Now 2 into 1, okay? Quotient से multiply करो, so 2 into 1, 1 we'll write over here, plus 1. So this remainder goes in numerator. So simple. ये डिवाइसर हो जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर. डिनोमिनेटर बेसिकली एज इट इज होगा, रिमाइंडर विल बी इन न्यूमरेटर. जो बच गया दैट इज कोशेंट विल कम ओवर हियर एट दी साइड. सो 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2. Okay, so check if you are getting the previous step. If you are not getting, it means you have done some mistake. So रेंज को कंबाइन कर लेते हैं. ओके, x का रेंज क्या है? ग्रेटर दैन लेस दैन. x इज ग्रेटर दैन और इक्वल टू माइनस हाफ. So greater than or equal to भी है, so put equal to sign also. Less than 5, only less than है. Okay, so combining we get this, and x belongs to the set of real numbers. It is given over here. So solution set लिखेंगे. What will be the solution set? It will be in set builder form, right? For real numbers we write in set builder form, x such that x belongs to R and minus 1.5 is less than or equal to x is less than 5. Now we'll plot on the number line. So -1.5 से 5 का रेंज है, ओके, -1.5 to 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3, -1.5, that is -1.5. -1 और -2 के बीच में होगा, है ना, 1 के बाद 2 आएगा, सो -1 एंड -2 के बीच में होगा -1.5. इट विल बी एग्जैक्टली द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ 1 and 2, है ना. सो -1.5 विल बी ओवर हियर. फ्रॉम हियर टू 5 का रेंज है, सो सर्कल -1.5 and 5. Okay, this is the range -1.5 to 5. Now is -1.5 included over here? Yes. Okay, it is included because real numbers may you will include the fractions, decimals, everything. So what you will do, you will fill this. Okay, and 5 is not included, it will be less than 5. So ये n circled ही रखो. Okay, in between any value is possible. So with the help of scale and pencil ये लाइन को थिक कर दो, डार्कन कर दो, ठीक है. It should be neat. So this is the solution on the number line.